In the last few months, one question has completely taken over tech forums, Tesla fan pages, Reddit threads, and YouTube comment sections. Why is Elon Musk delaying Tesla Bot Gen 3? Some say it's because Tesla is failing. Others claim the robot doesn't even work. A few extreme voices whisper that the whole Tesla Bot project is just a distraction and an elaborate PR stunt. But what if all of them are wrong? What if this delay is not a problem, but a calculated move? Today, we're not reacting. We're not guessing. We're digging deep into Tesla's engineering culture, Elon Musk's past behavior, manufacturing realities, AI bottlenecks, and uncomfortable truths no one likes to talk about. By the end of this video, you'll understand something shocking. Tesla Bot Gen 3 is not delayed because it's weak. It's delayed because it might be too powerful to rush. Let's begin. What people think Tesla Bot Gen 3 is before we expose the truth. We need to address the biggest misunderstanding. Most people imagine Tesla Bot like this, a humanoid robot walking around homes doing dishes, folding laundry, taking care of elderly parents, so when Gen 3 doesn't show up on time, people assume, oh, it must not work yet. That assumption is completely wrong. Tesla Bot was never designed first for homes. From day one, Elon Musk has been very clear, though people rarely listen carefully. Tesla Bot's primary battlefield is not your living room, it's factories, warehouses, supply chains, logistics centers, high-risk industrial environments. Gen 3 is not about looking impressive, it's about replacing repetitive human labor at scale, and that changes everything. Elon Musk's history with delays. Let's be honest, Elon Musk and delays go hand in hand. Model 3, delayed. Model X, delayed. Cybertruck, massively delayed. Full self-driving, still evolving. So why does Elon keep doing this? Is he bad at timelines? No, Elon Musk uses optimistic timelines on purpose. Why? Because internally, Tesla works on something called physics-based deadlines. Engineers are pushed to attempt the impossible first. Only later does reality decide what survives. Elon himself has admitted, if a schedule doesn't feel painful, it's not aggressive enough. So when Gen 3 is delayed, it's not chaos, it's standard Elon Musk operating procedure. But this time, there's more. Gen 3 is not an upgrade. It's a redo. Gen 3 is a complete architectural reset. Here's what most people don't realize. Tesla is not just building a robot. Tesla is building a general-purpose physical AI platform. That means Gen 3 must solve vision in chaotic environments, balance on unpredictable surfaces, dexterity comparable to human hands, energy efficiency for all-day operation, decision-making without cloud dependence. This is not software alone. This is embodied intelligence. And embodied intelligence is much harder than self-driving cars. The real bottleneck a hand. Let's talk about hands. Not AI, not batteries, not chips. Hands. Human hands have 27 bones, 30 muscles, thousands of tactile sensors. Most humanoid robots fail right here. Gen 3 is rumored to feature multi-axis force feedback, self-calibrating grip strength, adaptive finger articulation, micro-torque motors never mass-produced before. Here's the problem. You can't just design hands, you have to manufacture them at scale, and this is where Tesla hits reality. WHY manufacturing is the real E&E, and Elon Musk doesn't fear competitors, he fears manufacturing complexity. He's said it many times. The hardest part is not designing the product, it's building the machine. That builds the machine. Tesla Bot Gen 3 introduces some new actuators, new motor designs, new gear ratios, new sensor stacks, new thermal management. T1 multiplies failure points. If Tesla rushed Gen 3, they wouldn't fail once, they would fail millions of times on an assembly line. So Elon pulled the brakes. Not because Gen 3 doesn't work, but because it works too differently. AI is not ready. YET. Here's a truth nobody likes. Chatbots are impressive. Humanoid robots are terrifyingly difficult. Why? Because robots live in the real world. The real world has slippery floors, loose cables, unpredictable humans, poor lighting, objects that break. Tesla's AI must handle edge cases constantly. Gen 3 is rumored to rely heavily on end-to-end neural control, reinforcement learning from real-world data, shared intelligence between fleets that requires massive training data. Tesla is still collecting it. Releasing Gen 3 early would be like giving a toddler a chainsaw, the safety elephant in the ROM. No one wants to talk about this, but we have to. A humanoid robot that lifts heavy objects, moves autonomously, works near human's ease. A legal nightmare if rushed. One accident could trigger global regulation, kill the project overnight, invite government oversight, freeze Tesla bot deployment for years. Elon Musk knows this. That's why Gen 3 testing is happening behind closed doors. No flashy demos, no viral stunts, just quiet iteration. Because safety failures don't trend, they destroy companies. Why people think Tesla is fairly ungy. Let's address the rumors directly. Tesla's sales are down. Elon is distracted by X. Tesla bot is losing priority. Here's the reality. Tesla is restructuring capital allocation. They're focusing on cost efficiency, vertical integration, AI, infrastructure, manufacturing, automation. Guess what? Tesla Bot is not a product, it's a force multiplier. Once deployed, it reduces labor cost across gigafactories, supply chains, warehouses. That's why Tesla won't rush it. Gen 3 must be perfect enough to replace humans safely. The silent competition nobody sees: Boston Dynamics, Figure AI, Agility Robotics, Chinese humanoid startups. They're all racing, but here's the difference. They sell robots. Tesla sells systems. Tesla Bot Gen 3 is designed to plug directly into Tesla Vision Dojo factory, software, energy systems, that ecosystem. Advantage is enormous. Rushing Gen 3 would sacrifice that integration. Elon won't do that. What Gen 3 will actually do is to forget household chores. Gen 3's first jobs will likely be moving materials, sorting, inventory, assembly, assistance, dangerous, repetitive tasks, overnight factory operations. Not glamorous. Glamorous, but revolutionary. This is how automation quietly changes the world. Chapter 11. The Big Miss You Understand. Think delay equals failure. In Elon Musk's world, delay equals optimization. Phase Tesla Bot Gen 3 is not late, it's incubating, and history tells us something important. When Elon finally releases something after silence, it usually changes the industry. Final TRU. So why is Tesla Bot Gen 3 delayed? Not because it doesn't work. Tesla is broke, Elon lost interest, but because manufacturing isn't ready. AI safety must mature. Scaling matters more than demos. One mistake could end everything. People are wrong about the delay. Very wrong. Tesla Bot Gen 3 is not being postponed, it's being prepared, and when it arrives, it won't ask for attention. It will quietly replace millions of tasks and rewrite how work itself exists. The real question is not, when will Tesla Bot Gen 3 launch? The real question is, are we ready for it? Because once humanoid robots work reliably, there's no going back.